Get into the 2023 Hyundai Sonata. Here's a spacious and comfortable Hyundai Sonata, the midsize sedan that prioritizes a smooth ride, connected infotainment, and passenger safety. With ample cargo space, standard driver assistance, and standout style, this family-friendly four-door is ready to take you places. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, backup camera, lane keeping assist, alarm, Bluetooth connection, stability control, 8-speed AT, traction control, daytime running lights, power windows. Give your family the comfort they deserve when you travel in this refined, well-equipped Sonata. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.